Hi everyone, today I want to show you these two Glock 19Xs, the Gen 5s, and we've done 2,000 rounds through them without cleaning them. They didn't give one failure and performing really good. The magazines have been dropped numerous times, never been cleaned once, and they just continue to work. Now, the triggers are excellent on these weapons. They're very light, but we are going to swap out to aftermarket trigger, and then let's take them apart and see what's going on the inside. Alright, so that's what they look like on the inside so far. Like I said, they haven't been cleaned, not even once, and performing up to standard. You'll see these Glocks have the extended barrels, and obviously we've been shooting them without the little retaining nut to protect the thread. So in and out of holsters, we've been doing training, IPSC, Idpa, and so forth. And that's just our small little look at sea. Thank you for watching.